Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Syringenella from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw 2 circles for the eyes. Now inside each one, let's add another circle. And let's color each of these in black. Next, let's add some eyelashes on top of each eye. And that's it for the eye. Next, let's move on top and let's draw the bow. Above the right eye, let's start with a rectangle shape. Then from the top, let's angle it out, down, and back around on both sides. And that's it for the bow. Now let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on the bottom left of the bow and let's draw a curve over and bring it down. Then let's hop back over to the right side and let's draw another curve down. Now from both sides, let's curve it in and down. Now underneath, let's add the mouth. Let's draw a large oval shape. And color it in black. Now let's add the lips. Let's draw 2 bumps on top of the mouth. And then 1 underneath. Now let's hop back up to the sides and let's draw a curve down and around for the neck. And that's it for the head. Now let's draw the arms. From the bottom, let's curve it out on both sides. Then let's hop down and draw the same thing underneath. Now for the top line, let's curve it up, bring it back around and down to close off each arm. And that's it for the first set of arms. Now let's draw the objects inside her hands. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a circular curve that's open at one end. Then add a circle inside. Now for the end, let's draw 2 lines up, with the right one being longer. And then connect them at the end. Now let's draw the other side of the scissors. On the top left, let's draw another curve. And again, a circle inside. Then from both ends, let's continue it behind and up on the right. And then connect it at the end. And that's it for the scissors. Now let's move over to the right side and let's draw the comb. On top of the hand, let's draw a vertical line. Then bring it out from the top and bottom. Then small lines. Then bring it in. And 1 more straight line. Next, in between, let's draw some lines across. And that's it for the upper arms. Now let's move down and draw the second set. From underneath the body line, let's draw curves out and up on both sides. Then underneath, let's draw a curve. And then curve it back in and down. Now at the end of each arm, let's draw curves down and out. And close off the end of each one with a curve. Next, at the end, let's draw angled lines down and out, and then a curve across the bottom. Now let's hop underneath the left side and let's draw a line down, and then above it, let's bring it down and curve it down to a point. And then for the other side, let's draw 2 lines down with a curve across the bottom. Then inside on the left, let's draw some curved lines. And then at the bottom, a V-shaped point. And that's it for the second set of arms. Now let's hop back in and draw the legs. From the bottom of the body line, let's curve it down on both sides. Then let's hop to the middle and let's draw an upside down U-shaped curve. Then curve it down again for the inside of the legs. Now let's close off the bottom with a curve across. And lastly, let's add the feet. We'll start with curves down underneath each leg, and then a wavy line up to close off each foot. And that's it for Syringenella. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!